Craig and Mill, and you know what? It's continuing.
He had a whole thing he was continuing. Okay.
So I didn't have anything planned. So why don't I show you to the bathroom?
Oh, yeah.
So we have rooms that are numbered.
Keep letting it slam.
Even though there's only 3 of us.
And we got an extra bed for some
Look
reason.
at the view back here. It's nice.
Not really.
And then there's a bathroom behind you.
Don't let it slam. Emma, you're on my bed.
Basically, we pulled up to this little gourmet fish and chips place. I got some truffle fries, and then Emily and Samuel are gonna split the. The fish and chips. I'm not feeling too hungry.
I'm always hungry for fish and chips. We've been having a very long day. Great day, but need some extra nutrition.
I think we're number 14, so.
We're here on top of the mountain. We just had sunset and it was marvelous. The sun was right over there.
This is Horn Head.
We met some great people, took drone shots of them.
They live in Dublin.
They live in Dublin. And some Nashvillians.
Nashvillians.
Yeah.
I mean, the scenery here is pretty wild. Sorry, I wasn't looking
You
at the
could
screen.
also call it panoramic.
It's panoramic. Look, that's it. Freezing cold, but well worth
Show
it.
them the bunker.
That's a bunker from World War II. We're gonna
Well,
go get
not
some
a
more
bunker.
fish and chips.